In June and July of 2020, we spent almost 6 weeks living on the edge of the Sahara Desert, just outside the Moroccan town of Rissani.
In that time, we painted some artwork for Hassan, the owner of the Panorama Hotel where we stayed. The plan was to paint in the main entrance hall that doubles as a cafe and seating area.
Initially, Hassan just requested that we paint one wall blue, but we knew that we could do better than that.
After visiting numerous Casbahs in the area, we came up with the concept to paint a desert scene looking out a window. Of course, there had to be a camel in there too.
We also decided to paint 4 vases on the pillars, using this Moroccan design as the inspiration.
One day our host Hassan told us that he wanted to try some painting as well, so he joined us in providing his own touch to the project. Because we had visited a traditional camp out in the Sahara, I wanted to include a couple nomad tents to the scene. I also wanted to add dates to the date palms that grow abundantly in the area. The dates turn many different colors when they are ripe, depending on the variety, but for this project I chose red to add a pop of color.
The final detail was painting the light sconces gold.
We really loved our time spent in Rissani and appreciated the kind hospitality that was provided for us. Do you know that we paint murals for free in exchange for accommodation? If you need a mural painted, get in touch using the links below or through our social media channels.